Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hear better with your ears using your hands. And this will be the easiest tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to hear better with your ears and you want to do it only using your hands, this is the easiest tutorial on the subject matter. It is so easy to do. I'll show you a very extremely simple method. So without further ado, let's get right into this video tutorial. So essentially, your ears, they pick up sound, and the way that they're designed is so that the sound can enter into there, okay? Think about it like that. This is sort of like an opening so that the sound waves can enter into there. So if you can get more sound waves to enter into there, or the sound waves to enter into there more directly, then it should, in theory, be a little bit louder and a little bit, you'll hear a little bit better. So how do you do that? Well, it's really easy. When you think about the shape of sort of like a rounded surface, this reflects sound waves. So if I go like this, right, the sound waves are going to bounce off, right? And when you make it like almost like, think about a satellite dish. When you make it like a satellite dish, the waves bounce off to the center, right? So they sort of bounce towards the center. They bounce sort of back towards the center. So if you take your hand like this, the sound waves are going to bounce off here when they hit your hand, and they're going to bounce towards the center, not perfectly in the center, but towards the center. So by doing this, you're going to bounce the sound waves in the direction that it's sort of angled. So take your hand, cup it like this, make it almost like like sort of like a cupped shape. Put it behind your ear like this, okay? And you can see right now, and I'm just sort of, I'm just ever so gently, just sort of placing my hand against the back of my ear. So not pushing it hard, just like a little bit like that. So watch, my hand is now touching the ear, and just watch this. That's literally, just move it the tiniest bit possible, okay? And angle it, try and angle it so that it's sort of all angled towards, all the sound waves will be bouncing towards your ear. Do that on both sides. When I talk like this right now, it is amplified. I can hear my own voice better. I'm in the van, obviously, so it's my sound waves are bouncing off of all of like the windows and the windshield. But when I go like this, it is much more amplified. I can hear much better. When I take them off, it's quieter. When I go like this again, much, it's like amplified. I don't know, to me it sounds at least 20-25% louder when I do this, and then it gets quieter when I do this. And because it's louder, I can hear better. I can hear more accurately because I can hear all of the intricacies of my speaking. I can even hear like my saliva in my mouth as I'm speaking, and how it's sort of getting out through the letters and through the sounds, through my enunciation. Right? Very simple. So just take your hands, cup them like this, place them behind your ears. To be honest with you, you don't even have to push at all. You can just like place them behind your ears. You don't even have to make them touch your ears. But I can tell you, when I go from here where they're not really touching the ears, and I just bring them forward just a little bit, and I just barely touching the ears at all, it's much louder. So basically, get your hand, cup it, place it behind the ear, and then just make it touch the ear for the best effect. Like I said, it's kind of just moving the earlobe just like a little bit over here. Like when I place it against it, it's moving it just like literally just the tiniest bit. And to me, that's okay. But you obviously want to make sure that you're comfortable. So like, if you don't feel comfortable, putting any sort of touch or pressure against your ears, then just place them behind your ears, and you're still going to get a very similar effect. But if you feel comfortable and you're good with like placing them against your ears and just the tiniest bit, like literally ever so gentle pressure against the back of your ears, then it's going to give you the best effect. So do whatever makes you comfortable. But at the end of the day, what works is that you got to place, this is the final summary, cup your hands, okay, place them behind your ears, and then sort of do whatever makes you comfortable at this point. You can leave them not touching your ears, you can make them just barely touch your ears, or you can make them touch your ears and just get a little tiny bit of pressure against the back of your ears, just like that. And just do whatever works, whatever makes you the most comfortable, whatever gives you the best hearing, and that's basically it. It'll allow you to hear better. It will be more the sound will be more amplified, the sound will be more accurate. It'll just make you hear better. And yeah, it's a very easy thing to do. If you're having trouble hearing something, just like that, right? And for the maximum effect, both of them like that, okay? And you can experiment. You can curve them out and see what works best for your ears, because, you know, your ears might be slightly different. So see what works best for your ears. But that's truly it. It's literally that simple, and I hope that you truly enjoyed that video tutorial. And yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna officially roll the outro for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.